Hey, Fred.
Hey, Austin, man, what'd you bring your club for?
I said we were playing golf.
Oh, I mean, it sounded like I was saying let's go play golf. What I actually meant to say is let's talk about the top 5 things that home buyers need to know when they're getting a loan. Let's just assume I'm a buyer, right? And I happen to be a drug dealer, all right? Okay? And I've got all cash on my mattress. Can I use that for my down payment?
You could, Fred. Hopefully you're not dealing drugs. But yes, you could, as long as it had been, you put that cash into a bank account and we can get a 60-day printout of that statement that does not show that deposit. So it would need to be what they call seasoned for 60 days. And then we have verified funds for closing.
All right, awesome, thanks. I am so excited about getting into my new home. So excited that I actually just went out and got a 0% brand new credit card, and then I put furniture on it, and I also went and bought a car on a loan. So is that a problem?
Yes, if we've already pulled your credit, you can use existing lines of credit. What you cannot do is open new lines in most cases, because then it's going to affect our lending practice and your debt to income ratio. So if your ratio can handle it, you might be totally fine, but it's definitely not worth risking it without talking to your loan consultant.
I'm going to become a millionaire real estate investor, so I want to go get a whole bunch of FHA loans and buy investment properties and run them out. Can I do that?
It's a good idea, but you can only have one FHA loan at a time. Okay. Same with VA, you can only have one VA at a time in most cases. So conventional would be the way you would want to go. Conventional, you could have up to 10 to 20 loans on a conventional.
I quit my job yesterday because I'm moving to Nepal, but I still want to close next week. So is that a problem?
That's going to be a problem, because they're going to pull what's called a verification of employment the day before closing to make sure that you're still employed. They do that 3 times during the process.
So actually having a job when you're getting a loan is actually a big deal.
Seems to be the case.
I know I got credit issues. I know that you can help clients with that, but my other friend, who also happens to be a drug dealer, said that he'd co-sign for me. So what do you think about that?
Cosigner can help. It just depends on credit score of the primary borrower. If the primary borrower's score does not qualify, even an 800 millionaire cosigner is not going to help.
Okay, so I guess I need to stick with my day job then.
I think so.
All right.